In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the if function in Airtable formulas. By the end, you'll know how to create a simple formula that displays done when a record status is set to complete and in progress for anything else. Start by opening the Airtable base and the specific table where you want this logic to appear. We're going to add a new field to show the result of the if function. Look for the plus button at the end of your fields and click it to create a new field. Give the field a clear name so you'll recognize what it does later. Something like result or workflow status works well. Then choose formula as the field type. This tells Airtable that the value in this field will be computed automatically. In the formula editor, we'll write a simple if statement. The if function follows this pattern. If condition, value if true, value if false. In plain language, that means if this condition is true, show the first value. If not, show the second. For our example, we want to check the value of the status field. Type this formula: if/status complete, done, in progress. Be sure to wrap field names in curly braces, use straight quotes around text, and match the option name exactly as it appears in your status field. If your field is a single select, make sure the option is spelled and capitalized the same way as complete, or adjust the formula to match your setup. When you're ready, click Create Field or Save. Airtable will immediately calculate the result for every record in your table. You'll see Done when the status is complete, and In Progress for anything else, including empty or different statuses. This makes it easy to scan your table and understand where each record stands at a glance. One of the best parts of using a formula field is that it updates automatically. As you or your teammates change the status on any record, the if formula recalculates in real time. Switch a record's status to complete, and you'll see the result flip to done. Change it to something else, and it returns to in progress. This keeps your workflow consistent without any manual edits in the formula field. That's all you need to get started with the if function in Airtable formulas. Add a formula field, write a clear if statement, save it, and let Airtable do the rest. Thanks for watching.